What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mr. G.D.I.Y. back with another video, man. Hey, before we start this video, man, I need y'all to hit that subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button, man. Then comment, like if you want to put a like, you feel me? Most of all, I need you to subscribe to the channel, man, so you can see the videos when I'm dropping videos. But today, man, we're gonna work on something that I've been wanting to do for a long time. We're gonna work on this suspension. We're doing upper and lower arm control arms. We're doing QA1 shots. We're doing it all today, man. So y'all just stay around, watch the video, man. But I'm gonna show you guys where I'm at right now, where I'm starting at. All right, so here we go. Right now where we at, I just got the tires off both sides. You see my rotor, this the rotor, drill and slided rotor. This is a G.D.I.Y rotor right here. This ain't no aftermarket wheel wood or anything like that. But anyway, when y'all doing these uppers and lowers, make sure you put a jack up under there. You know what I'm saying? With your jack stands. See, I got my set up. A jack, 2 jack stands. I already shook it, so it's good. Shout out to Mr. Griffin 23. You know, he was talking about that, but we're gonna change this stuff, man. I got some new parts down up under here that I did before I started recording YouTube, but got some parts we're gonna change out. So we're gonna start on, I'm gonna start on the passenger side, man. Take off the caliper and then work my way down and stuff like that. So every time I'm gonna cut you guys off and cut y'all back on when I do a little more. So just hold tight. We're gonna get it. All right, so YouTube, here's where I'm at now. This is gonna be a long extended video because it done got late in the night, and I actually started late, but it's got late in the night. So I'm gonna show you where I'm at right now, and I just keep you updated. I have the link off. I got the shock off. If you see, there's no shock in there, just a spring. I have the behind it, I got a bolt on it now. I got the cotter pin. I got a socket on it. I got the cotter pin is out of there. The cotter pin is out of here on the tie rod. All I gotta do is get the ball joint loose there. Get the ball joint loose up under here. I have a bolt back there, right there. I gotta clean that out and get that loose. Once I get those loose, I'll put a jack up under here and get ready to try to get the spring out. But like I said, it'll be another day, so I'll get back with y'all in a minute. All right, so YouTube, we back. Show you guys what I got going on. I took the front sway bar. Sway bar came out. I loosened this. You have to loosen that from that bolt down there. You loosen that so you can be able to get the sway bar out. Got the tie rod going. You see that? Got the upper and the lower ball joint loose. Only thing left is to get this spring out, which I got on the jack. I'm gonna have to do that. I'm gonna just tell you guys, when you're doing this job, a lot of people make it easy, make it look easy, but I'm gonna tell you now, the best thing to say this job and make your life easier is a pickle fork. Whoever invented this dog is the best thing in the world. Pickle fork, get in between there and it'll knock them ball joints loose. So that's what I'm gonna do. I can't record this and let this spring loose right now. So I'm gonna do this. This is a little dangerous, so I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Stay tuned. I ain't gonna lie, YouTube. I was hiding like a mug from this spring, but heard too many stories. Heard that mother kid. I was way back here, up under here. I was poking at it, doing all kind of stuff. I had to eject the car all the way up. I was trying to let all the pressure out that spring I could, boy. I ain't trying to get hurt, boy. But yeah, we got it out. So now that it's out, I can work on getting the lower, upper and lower control arms loose and putting the new ones on. I'm gonna show y'all that in a minute. All right, we back, YouTube. It was a fight, and I won. So Got that upper loose, and I got the lower. You don't see the lower. You definitely gonna have to fight with it. You need a lot of WD-40, PB Blaster, whatever you use. I use PB Blaster, and it been working like a charm. So got that loose. Here go over here. The upper is loose, and the lower is loose over there. So got it all loose. Got one side loose. I bought other parts, so I'm gonna take these down. I gotta take this steering linkage down, all that across. I'm gonna take that down, put the new one up, and we're gonna be good. So I'm gonna cut y'all off and cut y'all back on. Also, I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna clean all this up. Don't think this is gonna be like this, but I'm gonna clean this up. So cut y'all back on in a minute. All right, YouTube, this is an update. First of all, shout out to Rock Auto. Got a couple parts from Rock Auto for the steering. Saw them down there to move Delphi. Try to get a lot of OEM stuff from Rock Auto. But anyway, like I said, you seen what the guy got before, but I got the center link down. I was just measuring a new center link with it. Show you guys. It's pretty much empty under here. I got the other side still. I'm gonna drop that down off camera, but I got everything down up in here, so it's nothing. I'm gonna put the new parts up, the new steering up, line everything up, and then, you know, start working on the control arms so you guys can see that. But I'm just taking all the old stuff off and replacing the new stuff that I already didn't replace. Like a lot of this stuff I replaced, some of it I didn't, but once we put it in, we'll be good this time. So yeah, cut y'all back on in a minute. All right, YouTube, we back. It's another day. It's probably like 2 days later, but here we go, still working. Finally got this upper control arm off. Got it off down here. This side clear. I'm gonna clean this up, and then I'll spray it down. And then after I spray it down, I'll get ready to start putting stuff back on. Everything is off, except for that. Clean that up, spray it down, spray all the little stuff down. Rest protected, and we putting up, but I just want to show y'all something. This for you POR 15 lovers. Now I put this POR on here a long while back. Now this is a piece that came, that's all for that. You see that? It's POR now. It's supposed to be the POR, supposed to be the always stick. Now people gonna say, oh, you didn't put it on right. Boy, yes the hell I did. This stuff break down, man. And I thought, used to think people be lying when they say POR ain't all that. I had bought the whole little system. And I did my, you know, most of my end bay, but all of it is just peeling. The engine bay, all of it just peeling. It's more down here. It's just peeling, dog. You hear that? It's just peeling, bro. Peeling, like it's peeling off, bro. It had peeled off right here. Oh my gosh. See, it peeled off right there, bro. The same way y'all talking about, it peeled off. Bro, I'm not rocking with that. I like that Rust-Oleum that I got better, dog. That POR is not working for me. I ain't gonna say it's trash. I wanna say it's trash, but we're gonna handle all that right there. But I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I start the process of putting these control arms, front steering link, all that back on. YouTube, we back. Been a couple days. I've been tinkering. I've been doing all kind of stuff, but I want to show you guys where I'm at now. So I got this side mocked up. Just got the spindle sitting on there with the rotor. You see the upper and the lower is on. It's mocked up because I want to take this on. I'm actually about to run to the parts store. I'm gonna take this off and clean this spindle. Got a lot of grease on it. I'm gonna clean it, paint it up, make it look better. But yeah, you see, I did paint a little bit in there. It looked better. upper and lower is on. I'm gonna tell you this, when you install these uppers, make sure you put the shims that came back in that you seen on the standard ones, make sure you put them back in the same position. I had 4 on each side on this side, so that's in, they shimmed in. Boom. Walk around to this side also. I didn't put the spindle on here, I just wanted to make sure I got the upper and the lower on. Like I said, I did a little painting, man, a little cleanup. I wasn't trying to make it too perfect because I'm gonna fix it more. I'm gonna fix the rest of that later, but it's in here looking nice. Upper, lower, same thing. Make sure you put the shims in here. Now this one had 4 on one side and 2 on one side. And I wasn't too sure about that. I put 3 on each side, so they'll be even, and we'll see what the alignment shop do. That's their job. Now that part I don't mess with, so we got this side going. I'm actually about to run to the parts store, grab me a couple items, and then I'm gonna come back and try to finish it up. But it's been some days, man. It's been some days. I ain't been on the camera every day. Some days I was tired. It's been a few days, but we here now, today. All right, YouTube, we back again. Got the spindles out, as you see. Got it lined up. I meant to record, I forgot, but went on and got the spindles together. I got this one done. I got the passengers done on the other side. Right now I'm about to get into setting up the QA1s because I'm gonna put these on before I put the spindle back on. So this is the one I got, a 450. If it don't hit right like I think it should, I'll go up to maybe a 600 because the LS is a little heavier than the small block, but we're gonna ride with the 450s for now. So I'm gonna get all this together, cut you guys back on, and let you see what it look like together. All right, YouTube, we back. It's late in the day. Got the uppers in. Got the lowers. Got the QA1s in there. Wasn't too bad of an install. We looking good. There's one side. Going around to this other side. Yes, sir. Same go for here. Got the uppers, lowers, and the QA1s. Like I say, wasn't a bad install, man. Everything looking good. I'm gonna finish up what I'm doing probably in the morning. I finish everything out. I gotta install the front steering stuff. I got new stuff, new links, all that. I'm gonna install that, and I'll be done, man. It's been a long journey, but I learned a lot, you know what I'm saying? So I'm happy about it. I cut y'all back on finished product. YouTube, we back. Just wanted to show you guys the finished product. See the QA1s. Boom, on that side. Boom, on that side. Just want to show you guys the finished product. I just got to put my front sway ball up, but I'll put that on off camera. Don't worry about that. All that stuff will be put up, that little wire hanging. But anyway, this is it, man. It took a minute. It took about a week, dog, just working and trying to do this and spending time with everybody. Everybody needs your time. All that dirt and whatever up under them, but yeah, man, that's it, dog. It's in, they in. Can't wait to test them out. I gotta get it to the alignment shop, cause it's definitely off for alignment. I can tell you that now. So we're gonna hopefully find a good alignment shop to line me up. But we good, man. I can't wait to test them and try to see how firm I want the shocks. But thanks for watching the video, man. This took a long time to do. And yeah, man. But yeah, anyway, like I was saying, it's been a long week trying to put this thing together, man. It was being my butt, but we made it. Don't be afraid to try something, man. DIY. If you don't want your stuff in them shops a lot, man. You don't want it in there for 3, 4, 5, you know what I mean, 8 weeks. So anyway, sometimes them shops get bagged up. You don't know where to start. You got to do it yourself. It's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y. Make sure y'all subscribe to this channel, man. Subscribe. We got a lot of things coming. And I'm out, man. Let's go.